Which fruit helps to increase hemoglobin level naturally? A. Mango. B. Apple. C. Pomegranate. D. Guava. Correct answer is C. Pomegranate. The next question is, which food is best to improve memory power? A. Walnut. B. Rice. C. Potato. D. Bee. Correct answer is A. Walnut. The next question is, which vegetable should be avoided during kidney problems? A. Spinach. B. Carrot. C. Tomato. D. Cabbage. Correct answer is A. Spinach. The next question is, which drink is best for detoxifying the liver? A. Lemon water. B. Soda. C. Milk. D. Tea. Correct answer is A. Lemon water. The next question is, which Indian state is called the Rice Bowl of India? A. Punjab. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Odisha. D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is B. Andhra Pradesh. The next question is, what daily habit helps reduce risk of heart attack? A. Skipping meals. B. Morning walk. C. Overeating. D. Watching TV. Correct answer is B. Morning walk. The next question is, which fruit is believed to boost sexual stamina naturally? A. Apple. B. Banana. C. Watermelon. D. Orange. Correct answer is C. Watermelon. The next question is, which STD is caused by bacteria? A. HIV. B. Herpes. C. Gonorrhea. D. Hepatitis B. Correct answer is C. Gonorrhea. The next question is, which vitamin is known to improve male reproductive health? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin E. D. Vitamin K. Correct answer is C. Vitamin E. The next question is, which bird lays the largest egg? A. Duck. B. Hen. C. Emu. D. Ostrich. Correct answer is D. Ostrich. The next question is, what does a caterpillar turn into? A. Beetle. B. Butterfly. C. Dragonfly. D. Ladybug. Correct answer is B. Butterfly. The next question is, which festival marks the harvest in Tamil Nadu? A. Pongal. B. Diwali. C. Holi. D. Eid. Correct answer is A. Pongal. The next question is, which instrument measures temperature? A. Thermometer. B. Barometer. C. Hygrometer. D. Speedometer. Correct answer is A. Thermometer. The next question is, which animal sleeps the most per day? A. Koala. B. Lion. C. Sloth. D. Cat. Correct answer is A. Koala. The next question is, what is the process of plants making food called? A. Germination. B. Reproduction. C. Photosynthesis. D. Transpiration. Correct answer is C. Photosynthesis. The next question is, which country gifted the Taj Mahal's white marble? A. Afghanistan. B. Sri Lanka. C. Italy. D. Nepal. Correct answer is C. Italy. The next question is, which animal is the tallest in the world? A. Kangaroo. B. Giraffe. C. Elephant. D. Zebra. Correct answer is B. Giraffe. The next question is, what is the currency of Japan? A. Yen. B. Yuan. C. Won. D. Ringgit. Correct answer is A. Yen. The next question is, what gas do plants release during photosynthesis? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Helium. Correct answer is A. Oxygen. The next question is, which planet is known as the red planet? A. Earth. B. Mars. C. Venus. D. Jupiter. Correct answer is B. Mars. The next question is, which insect has the ability to produce honey? A. Wasp. B. Butterfly. C. Honeybee. D. Ant. Correct answer is C. Honeybee. The next question is, what is the national flower of India? A. Lotus. B. Rose. C. Jasmine. D. Marigold. Correct answer is A. Lotus. The next question is, which organ helps in breathing? A. Brain. B. Lungs. C. Kidney. D. Liver. Correct answer is B. Lungs. The next question is, which country first launched the COVID-19 vaccine? A. China. B. India. C. USA. D. Russia. Correct answer is D. Russia.